I know it. Sorry.
Ulit tayo, 1, 2, 3, action!
Pauline Picharo Alex, and I am the Miss Philippines. Thank you. There's already so much pressure on myself, so I really didn't want this pressure to somehow affect my own performance or my own mindset. Of course, I was still flattering, so potentially overcoming that. But I really want to be able to make sure that I myself is focused on every step of the way from preliminaries of the party. I've been out of the picture for so long when it comes to working with those people. I was so focused on preparing for the match, and I'm a little driven now, and not a little, a lot driven now to come back again and continue working with all the empowered people in my job there together, somehow also creates an impact in other people's lives, even just a little bit. Makes me even more driven to work on that craft. There is still something I'm able to perfect it even more. That's what I'm and then make sure that I always speak my truth and speak it what makes me happy.
Alam mo ba magkaroon ng sarili or public speaking workshops?
Public speaking workshops na po. Well, actually, with Aces and Queens, we already have some trainings